In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video quality for the best balance of clarity and data use. This is a quick, reliable way to make your videos look sharper on a strong connection, or to keep things smooth and data-friendly when your internet is limited. First, go to the video you want to watch and press play. Starting the video helps the player load all the controls you need. If the controls fade away, just tap the screen on mobile or move your mouse on desktop to bring them back. Next, look for the Settings button on the video player. It usually appears as a small gear icon. On some mobile apps, this might show up as 3 dots, but it opens the same menu. Give it a tap or a click, and you'll see several options. From that menu, choose Quality. This is where you decide how the video is streamed. You'll typically see options like Auto, along with numbered resolutions such as 144p, 240p, 360p, 480p, 720p, 1080p, and sometimes 1440p or 2160p, depending on what the video supports and your device's display. Now pick the quality you prefer. Auto is a smart default. It adjusts the resolution in real time based on your internet speed and network stability, trying to avoid buffering. If you want to control things manually, here's a simple guide. Lower numbers like 144p and 240p use much less data and are helpful on very slow connections, but they'll look soft. Mid-range settings like 360p and 480p balance data use and clarity, and they're good for casual viewing on smaller screens. For a crisp image, 720p and 1080p are great choices, especially on laptops, tablets, and larger phones. If the video and your screen support it, 1440p and 2160p offer extra detail, ideal for big displays, though they use more bandwidth. If you notice frequent buffering, try stepping down a level. On mobile data, a lower quality can stretch your plan significantly. On stable Wi-Fi, feel free to go higher for the best picture. Keep in mind that not every video offers every resolution, and the highest options might not appear if the original upload or your device doesn't support them. That's all there is to it. Play the video, open settings, select quality, and choose the level that fits your situation. You can change this at any time, and many players remember your last choice. Enjoy smoother playback and clearer visuals with just a few taps.